Considered by some to be like the Ibn Taymiyyah of his day, Hameed Uddin Farahi was a literary mastermind whose comprehension of classical Arabic, Persian and Hebrew distinguished him from many of his contemporaries in the field of textual analysis of the glorious Quran. In a groundbreaking study that lasted nearly 50 years, Hameed Uddin Farahi poured forth his vast intellectual expertise into deep contemplation and study of the glorious book, resulting in his pioneering principal findings on the consistency, miraculous pattern, and remarkable coherence or nazm of the glorious Quran, in its thematic order of verses, words, and chapters, its grammatical precision, and overall phenomenal composition. In addition to this outstanding contribution, he also reconstructed and revised all the prerequisite disciplines of the Arabic language required to study the Quran. His findings on the topic of coherence, or what he called nazm, can be grouped into three key constituents: order, proportion, and unity. With this foundation, Hameed Uddin Farahi demonstrated that varying interpretations of the Quran are as a direct result of disregarding thematic and structural coherence in the arrangement and mutual relationship of various Quranic verses and paragraphs. In other words, verses and chapters take on a new meaning when isolated from the overall theme and structure of the Quran, thereby subtracting or adding multiple possible meanings to it. This principle, though seemingly obvious and simple, is far more profound and intricate than generally imagined. He went on to declare several principal tools needed to comprehend and interpret the Quran, demonstrating that unless it is understood through a holistic approach, much of its miracle and wisdom may be overlooked. Renowned for his remarkable scholarship and insight, Hameed Uddin Farahi died in 1930, passing on an intellectual legacy upon which contemporary scholars and researchers still derive invaluable insight into the miraculous structure and depth of Quranic Arabic.